Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between two impressive dash cameras. The Bayasu J07, which offers a triple-channel recording at 2.5K resolution, and the Teransol D016, boasting dual 4K recording capabilities. We'll explore their features, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to video quality, the Bayasu J07 records at a resolution of 2.5K QHD, which is decent for capturing essential details. However, the Teransol D016 takes the lead with its dual 4K UHD recording, providing unparalleled clarity and detail that is crucial for identifying license plates and other important information. This makes the Teransol a better choice for those who prioritize high-resolution footage. The Bayasu J07 is designed with basic features and lacks connectivity options, making footage retrieval a manual process. In contrast, the Teransol D016 includes built-in GPS for precise location tracking and dual-band Wi-Fi for quick file transfers and remote management through a smartphone app, enhancing user experience and convenience. Price is a significant factor for many buyers. The Bayasu J07 is priced at an attractive $69, making it an excellent option for budget-conscious consumers who need basic coverage. On the other hand, the Teransol D016 comes at a higher price of $183, reflecting its advanced features and superior video quality. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget and the features you value most. In conclusion, both dash cameras offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The Bayasu J07 provides excellent value with its triple-channel coverage at a low price, making it suitable for rideshare drivers. Meanwhile, the Teransol D016 excels in video quality and connectivity, ideal for those who require high-definition evidence. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.